Hello friends, welcome to Healthy Kadai. In our today's video, I am sharing 3 summer special salad recipes which are quick to make, are very refreshing, crunchy and absolutely delicious. The best part is that these recipes are best for weight loss because it keeps you full for longer period of time and you do not tend to overeat your main meals. So let's quickly see how to prepare these salad recipes today. Friends, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai and click on the bell icon so that you get regular updates of our new recipes. Firstly, we'll be dry roasting half a cup of peanuts. One can even use roasted peanuts if you wish. Once roasted, we'll allow the peanuts to cool down a bit and then you can also remove the shell of it. Next, we'll take 2 cucumbers and then without peeling it, we'll chop it. Completely up to you how you want to use cucumber. I will be directly chopping it with peel. Ensure to wash it properly before chopping. It's always better to have cucumbers with peel. Cucumbers, as we all know, helps in keeping the body cool during summers because it is filled with water. It keeps you hydrated and also it helps in preventing constipation. So one should definitely consume cucumbers during summer season. Once cucumbers are done, we'll transfer it in a bowl. Next, we'll add half a cup of freshly grated coconut. If you do not have fresh coconut, then you can even use desiccated coconut, but fresh coconut gives really nice flavor to this salad. So I would suggest you to use fresh coconut only. Coconut, we all know, is a good source of manganese and also helps in keeping bone health. So you should also consume coconut. And then goes our roasted peanuts. To this we'll add fresh coriander. There goes a little rock salt. Try to avoid adding salt as a first step. Always keep salt on a lower side and add towards the last step. And after that we'll sprinkle lemon juice. And now just combine everything well. Here is a freshly prepared coconut cucumber salad. So here is our freshly made cucumber coconut salad ready to serve. Look at this lovely green and white color combination. Peanuts add to the crunch in this salad. Friends, you have to try out this salad. I'm sure you'll really like it. This is a perfect summer salad. You must try it once. Both coconut and peanuts give completely different flavor to this salad. So friends, do give it a try. I'm sure you'll really like it. For this salad, I have some boiled chanas with me. Chanas, we all know, are packed with proteins. Into this, we'll add chopped cucumbers. Friends, for boiling chana, you simply need to soak it overnight and in the morning, you can just boil it with little oil and salt in it. Then I'm adding sliced carrots. Then go sliced onions. Onions also helps in keeping you cool during summers. And of course, fresh coriander, little rock salt, and we will toss everything nicely. You can also add tomatoes in this salad. Now, for the twist in this salad, let's prepare a nice tempering. For the tempering, we'll heat 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil. Into this, we'll splutter mustard seeds. And here goes 1 teaspoon of urad dal. Also goes a green chili. Urad dal will give a nice crunch to the salad. And also you can use this tempering for other salads as well. This entirely changed the flavor of the salad. So our tempering is done. So friends, here goes my tempering on the top. And the chili. Just give it a nice mix. There is no need to add lemon in this salad. And our chana salad is ready to serve. This salad is very different from the usual chana salad we make, especially because of the tempering which we have used here. So friends, do try out this one too. To prepare the salad, we need raw mango or kacha aam. In summers, we get abundant of these raw mangoes. Firstly, we need to peel it. One can even use a peeler to peel it. After peeling, we need to cut it in pieces and then we'll cut it into fine slices. We have finally cut it. We can further slice it and then we'll cut it in this manner. You can even chop raw mango. It's just fine. You can cut it the way you like it in your salad. Raw mangoes are low in calories and contains immune boosting nutrients. Also, it supports heart health and plus these are very tasty. So when it is available in abundance during summers, then one must consume it. We usually prepare aam panna using raw mangoes, but this salad is also a very easy and very tasty way to consume raw mangoes in summer season. So friends, in a bowl, we'll take our sliced raw mangoes. We'll just add a little bit of carrot just for the color, although it's completely optional. Then we'll add sliced onions. Also, for the crunch, I am adding little cabbage. And further, for that nutty flavor, I am adding roasted peanuts and there goes fresh coriander. I will add little rock salt to it and finally we'll add our tempering which we had prepared earlier, the mustard seeds and urad dal tempering, and finally we'll give a nice mix. This is such a flavorful salad. The sourness of raw mango, the crunchiness of cabbage, nuts, and of course the color which carrots have imparted. A flavorful salad, refreshing flavorful one for this summer season. So friends, here is my raw mango salad ready to serve. Very flavorful salad, you must try it out. So friends, this summer season, try out these refreshing salad recipes. These are quick to make, takes no time to prepare, but it will keep you full for longer period of time and yet you can relish these quick salad delights. So do try out these recipes and let me know how does it turn out for you. I hope you liked watching today's video. Give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.